Hey guys, I was at Costco today. I'm looking for saute pans, non-sticks, for my induction cooking top. So saw this at Costco for $28. I'm sure there's other ones on sale online as well. So please look at the link below if you like. But this is a 3-pack from Tramontina, and you can use it for gas, electric, ceramic, glass, oven safe, and it's dishwasher safe. So it's pretty interesting. I'm probably gonna only use the 8-inch one for small egg frying and probably like a 12-inch one for general purpose. So long story short, it's actually a pretty good deal at $28 for 3. And the fact that it's non-stick, that would make it extremely convenient, as well as having those large silicone handles, which is nice as well. Anyways, guys, I plan to use it with this. Basically, it's a cooktop, so I could probably make more YouTube videos. And if you're in a small place or a small living space where you can't use gas or butane or anything else, something like that, an induction plate would probably be very, very useful, and something like a saute pan would be also very useful as well. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button for more Costco finds and other Costco stuff or more YouTube stuff from me. So see you next time. Click like, subscribe. See ya.